What is the most pure form of carbon? Diamond. Which is the world's smallest continent? Australia. Who gave the slogan of World Workers Are One? Karl Marx. Which kind of power is the highest production in India? Thermal. Which is the most populous city in the world? Tokyo. Where is the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee located? Lausanne, Switzerland. Where did Mahatma Buddha give his first message? Sarnath. Which of these metals was first used by humans? Copper. In which state is the highest production of sugarcane in India? Uttar Pradesh. When is the Army Day celebrated? The 15th of January. Which is the ocean on the west coast of India? Arabian Sea. Who discovered the zero? Aryabhatta. In which game is the word free throw used? Basketball. Which animal is taken as a symbol by the World Wildlife Fund? Panda. When did the first postal stamp in India was introduced? The 1st of July 1852. What is the name of Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in Delhi? Rajghat. Who is called Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. Which is the largest producer of silver in the world? Mexico. Hydrogen bomb is based on what principle? Nuclear fusion. Which is the oldest Veda? Rigveda. Which was the ancient name of Patna? Pataliputra. Who is the world's first woman Prime Minister? Srimati Bandaranaike. Which is the largest flower in the world? Rafflesia anneldi. Where is Jim Corbett National Park located? Nainital, Uttarakhand. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, then which eclipse occurs? Solar eclipse.